I saw this really cute little idea online when I was doom scrolling one night, and I saved it because I loved it so much. So it was essentially to do a holiday cocktail with a little Christmas tree inside, aka a rosemary sprig. But you stick it upside down so the tree branches kind of, point down like a little pine tree. And then you just stick this in here with a little bit of water, and then you set it in the freezer and you let it freeze. And then this is what you end up with. Isn't that fun? It's super cute. You have your ice basically to keep your drink cold. And in the video, the girl's name was at Ain't Too Proud to Meg. And she recommended putting a vodka soda in it. And I thought, girl, we could do better than that. This is the holidays. So I sort of came up with the idea for this cocktail in reverse. Started with the garnish first as the inspiration, and I thought, come on, let's do a fun, clear cocktail that says holidays, but isn't
boring.
Yeah, it's better than a vodka soda. Come on. And I thought, well, what do I like for the holidays? Elements that are clear. I decided on Creme de Cacao, chocolate liqueur, but the white chocolate liqueur, peppermint schnapps, which is also clear, and a Jones cream soda. So we're doing chocolate, mint, and vanilla cream soda together with a little bit of rosemary that kind of wafts through there because it's right under your nose. And then for some ornamental elements, pomegranates are in season. So we're gonna drop in some pomegranate arils. But first, we're going to taste this liqueur. This is the Creme de Cacao, and the way the white and dark Creme de Cacaos differ is the white Creme de Cacao is usually a distillate of cacao, and the dark is made by macerating or percolating the cacao nibs, the cacao beans in it. So it has a deeper, richer, more bitter cacao flavor in addition to the color. Sometimes there's still additional color added to it in the dark Creme de Cacao, but the light Creme de Cacao oftentimes has a bit of vanilla added to it too for a bit of sweetness.
You can feel it.
You definitely smell that.
I thought the dark one was Hershey's syrup and vodka.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Oh, this is super light.
Very chocolatey.
Very subtle sweetness. I get a lot of vanilla on there actually. More vanilla than chocolate. But you do get a bit of like creamy, I'm gonna say almost like milk chocolate. Very milky milk chocolate.
Yeah.
All right, next we're going into the peppermint schnapps.
We like to do hot chocolate with peppermint schnapps and a Canadian whiskey.
An American style peppermint schnapps is usually a neutral spirit that's been flavored with peppermint or peppermint oil and with sugar added.
It was funny because in the States, schnapps sometimes get a little bad rap, but like when you go to Europe or any other, like I have friends that are
it's more like an
Germans and the
eau-de-vie
Swiss, and it's like she brought me a couple of different bottles, and it's like nothing to do with like syrupy sometimes what people think of and more complex. Is this gonna drink be shaken, stirred?
No, it's so easy. This drink is actually going to be built right into,
Right there?
Yeah.
Muy mas macho here.
Right there. Where's the bottle? No.
Oh wait, what?
I'm like, no, there's a bottle opener right there.
Got it. I know with that peppermint schnapps, I want to go pretty light-handed. All we're doing is liqueurs. This is quite thin and not as sweet as you'd expect on the nose, and this is sweeter. So I'm going to go a little heavy-handed with this. We're going to start it with 1.5 ounces.
Magic. Looks like Christmas already.
Yep.
And those ornaments floating around. It's smiling.
See?
Look,
Hilarious.
it's happy to be drunk.
See? And you were making fun of my Christmas tree. It's the Charlie Brown Christmas tree.
It is the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. All right, let's do 3/4 of this to start. I don't think we're going to need more. And I think about 3 ounces of this cream soda ought to do it. Our ice is already in the glass. I'm gonna mix that around. Now my tree is floating. Oh, I like it. Oh, I love that you can smell the rosemary. The tree is now floated to the top. It's lifted off the bottom of the glass.
That is crazy.
That is so cute. Very, very pleased with this. Oh, I like that. I like that right there. So 0.75 ounces of the schnapps, 1.5 ounce of this creme de cacao, and 3 ounces of that cream soda.
All right.
I get the mint, I get the chocolate, and I get the vanilla from the cream soda. All of the things in balance. And when you've got your face inside that glass, that rosemary just kind of floats right under your nose and gives you a bit of pininess. And it's lovely.
And the color with the pomegranate arils and the
red and green, that's Christmas.
Yep, and the snow.
And the ice.
You forget you're in Redondo. You could be somewhere in Rockefeller Center, huh? Forget Redondo. You're in Rockefeller Center.
Transported. The ice is already in the glass. It's going to keep your drink cold and keep your drink festive at the same time.
All right.
Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Cheers.
Love the snow.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it smells like a candy store.
Oh, wow. This soda is totally ties it together. All the brings all the flavors up to the front. The effervescence of the soda is like crazy.
All right, we have our 2025 Christmas cocktail.
It's just perfect. And the chocolate.
Very easy to drink.
Yeah. The chocolate comes forward. Everything comes forward at its own pace, and then they all dance together.
And you could probably batch it and then add the soda at the last minute.
Yep, you could absolutely do that. The hardest thing would be having enough room in your freezer for these fun little Christmas tree ices.
Well, the turkey has to come out.
That's true.
Who needs a turkey when you have this?
Oh, I like it. We like it?
I love it.
Good.
They're not supposed to be a tasting, but I'm going to finish mine.
I don't know that I would ever thought of cream soda and peppermint schnapps.
But it ties it really well.
I could get the cream de cocoa and the cream soda. That I would have. Okay, I saw that coming. But as usual, she comes up with things like, A plus B equals Cleveland. But it's fabulous.
Who doesn't love Cleveland?
Yeah.
Never been yet.
That's another part.
Somebody
Like we should do
invite
a destination show.
Yeah.
Hey, come and do this show from Cleveland.
It's the whole idea. It's all the things that I love: travel, friends, cocktails,
That would be
jokes,
Yeah.
stories,
Yeah.
cocktails. My favorite thing.
I don't know if you can see, but the red of the arrows so complements the whole thing for the visual part. And I'm pretty sure at the end because I'm gonna eat them, it's gonna be soaked into the alcohol. Should be really nice.
Yeah, you got a little here. Try some. You get this.
Because the tart,
You get this little pop of tart.
Yeah.
Yeah, with it. With the.
Wow.
It still works.
Yeah.
You still get the
Really
chocolate.
good.
It actually brings the mint forward through the other flavors.
It's no vodka soda.
It's
That's for sure.
way cooler than a vodka soda.
It is.
Mine's gone. I won. What's next?
Another drink. And when I think about winter and Christmas and the holidays, I want a spiced cider. And we're going to be doing a spiced cider here with their pantry ingredients next.
Love that.
We have our very own Spice Girl here.
Which one am I, Shorty?
Boozy.
Boozy Spice. I love it. Put it on a t-shirt.
There we go.